To determine whether Power BI or Looker is better in 2025, it is essential to understand the key concepts and features of each tool. Power BI is a business analytics service by Microsoft, offering data visualization, business intelligence, and reporting capabilities. Looker, on the other hand, is a cloud-based business intelligence platform that provides data analytics and visualization tools. First, consider the data sources and integration capabilities. Power BI supports a wide range of data sources, including Excel, SQL, and cloud-based services. Looker also supports various data sources, but its strength lies in its ability to connect to multiple databases and provide a unified view of the data. Next, examine the data visualization and reporting features. Power BI offers a user-friendly interface for creating interactive dashboards and reports. With a wide range of visualization options, Looker provides a more complex and customizable reporting system, with a focus on data modeling and governance. When it comes to pricing, Power BI offers a more flexible and cost-effective solution, with a free version and several paid plans. Looker, on the other hand, is generally more expensive, with pricing based on the number of users and data sources. In terms of security and governance, both tools provide robust features, including data encryption, access controls, and auditing. However, Looker is particularly strong in this area, with a focus on data governance and compliance. To make a decision, consider the specific needs of your organization. If you require a user-friendly and cost-effective solution for data visualization and reporting, Power BI may be the better choice. If you need a more advanced and customizable platform for data analytics and governance, Looker may be the better option. Ultimately, the choice between Power BI and Looker depends on the specific requirements of your organization. By understanding the key features and capabilities of each tool, you can make an informed decision and choose the best solution for your business intelligence needs.